going on outside? Huh? What's happening outside? Oh, now you're not going to bark? What, because Mommy has a camera? Why are you so camera shy? Why are you so camera shy? Hi, handsome. There's Benny. Oh. Benny, you nearly walked right into Dukes. Come on in, Ben. Come on. You tell him, Dukes. What are you doing? How come you keep looking over at me? Poor Ben. Come on, Benny. Are you mad because he can go bark and you can't? Huh? Come on, Ben. Come on, Ben. Come on, Benny. I'll hold Dukes. Good boy. Okay. See, he snuck past you. Where's your favorite ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? It's over there. There's your ball. Not the one that was next to you, huh? This is the ball. That's right. Go get it. Oh, go get it, pups. That's my boy. Oh. Here you go, sweetheart. Hey, no squeakies? It doesn't squeak anymore? What happened? Did you break the squeaker? You silly dog. You broke your squeaker. And you don't like the new one. You tell Benny. Good boy.